Hello. So one of our clients who's in our mastermind, she sells a skincare line and a bunch of other incredible things like for your hair, and just gifted us so much. So Tammy from Aviv, I just want to thank you so much for all of it, and I'm really excited for you and what is going to happen in our mastermind and coaching with us. And so what she has gifted us is her signature really facial set, and so it comes in this cute little package and it has 6 different steps, really easy to tell you what to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it's all derived from the Dead Sea, Aviv, right? Tel Aviv, think about that. And really incredible high quality ingredients. She's actually formulated all of this herself, and she owns her own day spa in the South. So cool. So steps, it gives you all kinds of steps. So it's really cool. So we got step number 1 is going to be, let me pull it out, this mineral face wash, beautiful packaging. Step number 2 is this Dead Sea dermabrasion, okay? And then step number 3 is an awesome mud mask. I'll post my picture of that. Step number 4, we got the toner. Step number 5 is this incredible Max Tox facial serum, and it is a Botox alternative. So I'm excited for that. I applied it in certain areas. And then to top it off, you have this Mud Light mineral cream. And my skin feels so incredibly soft. And so I'm excited to see what the results are going to look like in the next 24 hours.